TGT 2011। Fill in the blanks with the appropriate option। 9 से 18। बीज display distinct preference for different colors but are also sensitive to ultraviolet light। Not only। Answer: not only, because it is known as a correlative conjunction. Such conjunctions are used in pairs only। Question number 10. Jupiter the largest planet in the solar system। Answer is 11। Question number 11. When sugar to yeast fermentation take place। Answer is added, because is added material noun is used in singular only। Question number 12. The overall efficiency of a system can be that of its weakest element। Answer: no greater than। Question number 13. At agricultural station many types of grass are grown various conditions। Answer: under, because under preposition in to or through a position that is below something, as the dog squeezed under the gate and ran into the road। Question number 14. Nitric acid copper to give off brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide। Answer: react with। Question number 15. The saturated fat in dairy foods in thought a factor in heart disease। Answer: to be। Question number 16. Robots are being used increasingly in industry as they can work on large jobs faster or more precise and Answer: don't tire more easily। Question number 18. Many plants can grow in water without any soil nutrient are added। Answer: as long as। Management as the organization and coordination of an enterprise। Answer: can be defined D। Direction. In the following sentence, identify the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed in order for the sentence to be correct। 19 से 26 तक। Although we are no longer young, we still enjoy to study language। Answer: to study। Question number 20. Before to 1920s, scientists used to think and immobilized muscles would become weaker। Answer: would। Question number 21. Nuclear waste has traditionally been stored in steel drums what are subject to rust। Answer: are। Question number 22. The immune system is the body's way of protecting itself against viruses. Answer: bodies. Question number 23. Originate in Ethiopia. Coffee was drunk in the Arab world before it came to Europe. Answer: come. Amsterdam is a town who is sometimes referred to as the Venice of Northern Europe because of its canals. Answer: who? Question number 25. The sea wasp releases a poison that kills a person in 3 minutes. Answer: C. Question number 26. Halley's comet approaches the Earth close to be visible every 75 years. Question. Answer: D. Every 75 years. Direction. Answer the following question 27 से 32. The meaning of euthanasia is. Answer: mercy killing. Euthanasia, the practice of killing without pain a person who is suffering from a disease that cannot be cured. They argued in favor of legalizing voluntary. Accomplice means. Question number 28. Accomplice, ACCOMPLICE, means. Answer: A. Associate in crime. Because accomplice noun a person who help another to commit a crime or to do something wrong. Question number 29. The condition of self-government is called. Autonomy. Answer: autonomy. गवर्नमेंट बाय द नोबल्स, इसको कहा जाता है एरिस्टोक्रेसी. गवर्नमेंट बाय वन पर्सन, इसको कहा जाता है ऑटोक्रेसी. AUTOCRACY. मर्डर ऑफ ए किंग और क्वीन, इसको कहा जाता है रेजिसाइड. REGICIDE, रेजिसाइड. मर्डर ऑफ सिस्टर, इसको कहा जाता है सैरोसाइड. SARORICIDE. One who obtain completely from alcohol is called. Answer: teetotaler. TECTOTALER, teetotaler. The last work of a writer, swan song. Murder of wife, Uroxide. UROXICIDE. One who has long experience, veteran. VETERAN, veteran. The art of producing beautiful handwriting is known as. Answer: calligraphy. CALLIGRAPHY. A remedy of all disease, इसको कहते हैं पैनासिया, पैनाका. PANACEA, पैनासिया. मर्डर ऑफ फादर, इसको कहते हैं पैट्रीसाइड. PATRICIDE, पैट्रीसाइड. Question number 32. Much damage and misfortune caused by nature is known as calamity. Fill in the blank with the antonym of the underlined word in each of the following sentence. 33 से 36. Art is not an activity associated leisure. Answer with. The following verb take the preposition with after them. Associate, bear, class, coincide, comply, condole, cope, correspond, credit, deluge, disagree, dispense, file, grapple, intrigue, part, quarrel, sympathetic, sympathize, etc. Question number 41. These observations don't confirm any any law. Answer 2. 42. Question number 42. The river flow the bridge. Answer under. Fill in the blank with the correct tense. 43 से 48. I my car 3 weeks ago. Answer washed. Ago and before. Ago is used for past event while before is used in reference to event as he came 3 days ago. Jonathan insisted on out. Answer going. After preposition gerundial verb is used according to rule. Question number 43. He was prevented from in the class smoking. Answer smoking. After preposition gerundial verb is used according to rule. Question number 46. You better his permission. Answer to seek. Better takes infinitive to. Question number 47. She was seen the house. Answer entering. Answer entering. She was seen entering the house. Question number 48. Tigers is a dangerous sport. Spelling hunting. The word hunting is used as a gerund. Gerund is used along with in direction. Choose the correct answer for the following question 49 to 52. In order to repair the leaking pipes, we had to call the answer plumber. Carpenter makes table. Electrician looks after electricity as the some way plumber repair the leaking pipes. As question number 50. As I had hurt my eye, I had to go to Answer an oculist. An oculist looks after everyone's eyes. Question number 51. The sudden running of a herd of frightened animal is answers stampede. Stampede. Stampede noun is a situation in which a group of people or large animals such as horses suddenly start running in the same direction, especially because they are frightened or excited. A stampede broke out when the door opened.